The main challenge in cabinet production is to achieve perfect squareness and durability. CYMAC Automatic Cabinet Frame Assembly Machine, a solution for fast and solid cabinet frame assembly. The machine frame is made of steel, has a large working size, meeting 100% of models on the market. The comb-shaped pressing system on both horizontal and vertical sides helps distribute the pressing force evenly and effectively. Along with that is a modern control system with two operating modes. 1. Automatic tightening according to size, suitable for mass production of similar products, improving productivity. 2. Tightening according to travel switch, ideal for products of different sizes. The machine automatically adjusts the force and cycle for each product. CYMAC masters the technology, manufactures, and develops this solution in a market-leading position.